Mao ni ako ang ikasulti ha kay namatayan mo ko ginahan man akong sulom ni ba. Di ba kung mamatay something family nimo magstorya man jud ka about niya. Iyang characteristic sige. Dear Ma'am Angie, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me such a beautiful life. Thank you for giving me a birth on this earth. Without you, I can live on this earth anymore. I remember when I was a kid, I don't know how to write my name. You teach me how to write my name, and I don't know how to pray to God. And you teach me how to pray to God. Because you're closer to God, Ma'am, every night, day, you always pray the rosary. You always attend Mass every Sunday. Then you want me that to be closer to God and to become a better person. When the times I'm down and up in my life, you were always there for me, giving me advice. You told me, Anna, never surrender your life, no matter what happening, struggles, your life. You always fight for your life. Ma'am Angie, I would like you to know that you're the best mom I ever had. You're a best single mom I ever had. I don't need a father figure of my life because for me, you're my mom and my dad. Thank you very much for your pure and real love and unconditional love with us. The reason why your sister and brothers, your all family, grandson, friends and relatives who really loves you because your unconditional love, your love is real, you have a pure heart, and you go to Alaskan Courage, marry American man, you sacrifice your life because of your three kids, Anan, Gigi, Chris, me is Anan, so that you can give for reason why you marry American man. I remember when I was 11 years old, I asked you, Mom, please don't leave us. Please stay with us. Don't go to Alaskan Courage. Then, for a reason you give me, and the reason why I need to go to Alaskan Courage because I want to give you um, a house to live. Because dati, ang bahay natin, magbaha hanggang abaga, walang tubig, walang suga, napakahirap talaga, mahirap pa sa daga, yung bahay ni Talutik. But I'm very thankful because pinatira pa rin tayo ni Talutik doon dahil wala tayong pang-upan ng bahay, pang-renta. You told me, Ma'am Angie, I need to go to Alaskan Courage so that you can rent a beautiful house, a house to comfortable house. Then the second, you can buy a food, a delicious food. You want a foods that you want to eat because dati may lamisa tayo, hindi ko alam bata pa ako, bakit walang pagkain, walang ulam, walang sudan, patay gutom tayo mama. Then the third reason, you want to send us to, so that we can go to school in a elementary private Salazar High School sa Western. I studied sa Western sa IT, Gigi in San Carlos. Ikris is Immaculate Heart Mary and sa IT, Ikris. Then, the reason why, the third reason you want to go to Alaskan Courage so that you can send money to us. We can go to a private school, elementary, high school, college. We can pursue our studies in college. We can pursue our dreams. We can finish our studies in college. Then the fourth reason why you go to Alaskan Courage is to have a better life, to have a better future in life, to pursue our dreams so that we can finish our studies in college. We can study elementary in high school and college and private school, and we can eat as delicious foods, and we can buy what food we want to eat. Then we can have a nice clothes, expensive clothes to wear. Because dati wala tayo dyan, ma'am. Wala tayo lahat. Wala tayong makain, wala tayong foods, wala tayong pera, wala tayo lahat. Wala tayong patagutom tayo, ma'am. How I wish, and Ma'am Angie, when I was 11 years old, you go to Alaskan Courage, then you will know, no return, I shall return like MacArthur. You will not visit with us in the personally, in the person, then then you cannot see each other anymore until you grow up, until you will die. Ma'am Angie, I would like you to know we're so lucky to have you. If I will die and live again, I choose you, a mom to my life. But on that time, I wish we could have lots of time and we cannot separate each other. Mom Angie, how can celebrate this coming Christmas? Few this later is Christmas time and New Year and my birthday December 28th, same birthday to my Ate Gigi. How could how please stay with us even your soul, because for me, how could I celebrate Christmas, New Year and birthday? You're not here anymore. It's first time you will not here anymore in our life. It's very hard and difficult to celebrate Christmas and New Year, especially my birthday. Because nasanay kami nandyan ka lang, ma'am. Anytime we call you, we have a video call, you greet us Christmas, New Year, and birthday. And now, wala na mag-greet sa akin ng happy birthday, anak, anan. Wala na. Patay ka na. Nandyan ka na sa kabilang buhay. Ma'am, please wait with us. Wait for me and Gigi and all your grandson and family. Because I know time will come. We will meet again in the souls, in the heaven, to the Lord, in the kabilang buhay. And it's temporary separate with us, ma'am. Please wait for me to the kabilang buhay. I know time will come, I will die, and we will meet again. And I hope that time will not separate and we will live forever. Because it's a few time few time we will be together. I was from baby 1 to 11 years old. I have a kid. I have a African mother. I have a mother in personal, because when I was 12 until now, I feel at your you're not side in, and uh, would like to know if I'm sad because as by last BPM, we expect on this year you're on earth and you will say goodbye with us and no exist anymore for our lives. Ma'am, I want you to know I'm very lucky to have you as if I say now, I, choose, I ask God that you will come back to my life. I choose you being a mother again, because your love is real, your your love is pure. You have a unconditional love. That's why brother Tio Dodong loves you very much, and your sister Caroline and Marife and your grandson loves you very much. Your grandson Sean Clark Jansen and GM. And your three kids, me and Gigi Ikris, we love you very much, ma'am. And sad to say, because you went to Alaskan Courage, your plan is you petition with us, and Gigi Ikris, but it's not happened because God plans is different with us. Then you marry Terry McDermott, and your life there in the Alaska Courage is living hell, because Terry wants you, Terry wants to your life there in Alaskan Courage is a living hell, because gusto kang i-insurance ni Terry. Kaya nag-ikyas ka, wala kang magandang trabaho, kaya hindi mo kami napetisyonan, kaya hindi ka naka-uwi dito, ma'am, at hindi tayo nagkikitang muli. Ma'am, for me, if Christmas and New Year and birthday time, for me, this emptiness in my heart and my mind, because for me, once you will here at my side, Christmas for me is complete and my birthday is complete and New Year is complete. Because for me, Christmas is represent my mother like you. That's why I dedicated a song, All I Want is Christmas and Kasadyan ng Taknaan and Sa Araw ng Pasko. It's dedicated for you, ma'am, that kind of three songs. Ma'am Angie, even though you're in Alaskan Anchorage, far, far away places, cold places, somewhere in the Alaskan Anchorage, there are creepy bears, white bears, brown bears, black bears, and the wolf, husky dogs. Even though you're far, far away places, cold places, for me, the distance is not a hindrance to us because I can feel alone and I can feel I don't have mother at my side because you always be there. We always chat, video call, and I can hear your golden voice, your laughter, your big smile when you saw me. Then you want to see me dancing, and and I hope this coming Christmas and New Year and birthday, Gigi call. She will cook you a delicious food and Icarus also. And me, I will bake you a delicious cake. And we will be together. We go to ma'am, I have a car that I want to ride you a car and you're my passenger, I'm your driver. We went a big mall because I know suruyan ka gusto ka magsusuri sa mga big mall. And we have a lots of big Christmas tree there in the mall and the plaza also. And I want to see all the big Christmas tree here in the Cebu City. And I want we go to mall together, Tia Maripi and Ikrisiji and me and your grandson also, your family. We'll go to the SM Mall, Seaside, Ayala, J Mall. Then we will watch movies there. We will eat delicious food. We'll buy expensive clothes to wear because that's my one of my dreams, ma'am, that never come true, and wishes that we've been together someday. You go, you leave the Alaskan Courage, you go home to your hometown place in Philippine Cebu City. Then we've been together. We are happy family on that time because nakapiling ka na namin, ma'am, at hindi na muling maghiwalay. Yun ang wish namin and dreams but never happened. All we were wish that someday we could live together, stay together. We will share our happiness moment. Ma'am, you teach me how to fight. That's why my confidence, my energy, higher energy, my strength, stronger life, I get you, ma'am, because I turn on my life with you. Sa'yo lang mikot yung mundo ko. Tapos, you tell me, and you always fight to your life, not surrender. And if your problem, you go to the church, you cry your problem, and ask help to the Lord. And ma'am, I would like you to know that thank you very much for giving me such a wonderful life and you sacrifice your life. You marry American mom and Terry McDermott so that you marry American mom so that you can go to Alaskan Courage, so that you can give me delicious foods to eat, and you giving me nice clothes to wear, dresses, and house comfortable, and house have a light and water, and not a flood before atong balay ang baha taga abaga, tapos manglanglangoy tas baha walay tubig way suga anya balay ani duro magputang na mo patong na ta para makalita unya. Then you want to go to a private school, elementary. Thank you very much, ma'am, because we study in elementary Salazar School, Salazar Institute of Technology, JJ Anan Ikris, and high school sa Western. Me, I studied sa Western and sa IT, Cebu Institute of Technology, sa Western University, Southwestern University of Cebu from Aurelio, Cebu Institute of Technology from NBL because I studied there in high school, private school, and JJ in San Carlos, and Ikris in Immaculate, and St. Jude, and St. Paul, and UV, and sa IT, Ikris. And I studied in Vélez College in first year and a ship course of Computer Science in Asian College. JJ is San Jose. Ikris is high school level, second year high school. Thank you very much, ma'am. The reason why I asked you before, you know what, ma'am, when I was kids, I remember 3 days later, you went to Alaskan Courage. Then I asked you, ma'am, please stay here. Don't leave us. Don't go to Alaskan Courage. Then you tell me, pahirin masipon yung school po. The reason why you want to go to Alaskan Courage is only for a reason. First, you want to give delicious food with us. We can eat. We can buy delicious foods to eat. Because, and second, you want to give a expensive and a nice dress to have beautiful clothes. And third, to have a comfort and comfortable he stay home. We can rent beautiful houses. And fourth, and we can study elementary school, private school, to finish our studies, college. Because when I was a kid's mom in the Mandawi, wala tayong ulam, nagtaka ako bakit may lamisa, wala kang may pera, may wallet ka, walang pera, wala tayong ulam, walang makain, pati gutom tayo, ma'am. Andiyan na kandong eskwela katulog grade 1 kay kuya pa may school supply, wala may pang school supply, wala may baon, wala lahat. Walang sapatos, wala. Tapos yung bahay natin, tirahan natin, ma'am, nag-upa tayo sa Mandawi, saan tayo nakatira, pinaalis tayo, wala tayong pang-upa. Buti na lang nag-voluntary si Talutik, doon na lang tayo tira sa bahay niya. Is a bless na nakatira tayo sa bahay ni Talutik. Thank you, Talutik, na pinatira mo kami doon. Kahit walang ilaw, walang tubig. Tapos magbaha pa hanggang abaga. Tapos hindi kami nakapag-aral. Sana, ma'am, may purpose dati, may financial, may single mom financial, at saka sana may boys town, girls town. Sana doon mo na lang kami niiwan. Ikaw ni Ana, JJ, Chris, kami tatlo. Hindi man kami malungkot kasi sama-sama man kami magkapatid doon. Tapos ikaw ka ng work ka. Sana kung may girls town, iiwan mo lang kami doon dati para hindi mo maisipan magminyo ng Amerikano. You cannot think again to marry American and to leave your 3 daughters, beautiful daughters, here in the Philippines. And Ma'am Angie, and I tell to Caroline our problems na pati gutom ta, walang makain, bawal magkasakit kami, walang pambili ng gamot. Tia Caroline told me, it's a fault of your mom, it's a mistake your mom, because hindi niya kayo pinamigay sa DSWD. Tita Caroline wants that you give me your 3 daughters, give the DSWD para ma-adapt kami ng mayaman ng family na makapagbigay sa amin ng clothes, pagkain, at saka magandang tirahan. Sabi ko kay Tayin, alam mo Tayin, dati pati gutom kami, walang makain, makasakit kami, walang pambili ng tambal, wala kaming vitamins, gatas, wala kami lahat. Sabi ni Tayin, Caroline, kasalanan ng mama yun, sana binigay kayo ng DSWD, pina-adapt kayo. Tapos para may pamilya na mag-adapt sa inyo, magbigyan kayo ng magandang life, better future. Tapos hindi ginawa ni mama yun, pinaglaban talaga kami ni mama. Mama will go to Alaskan Courage. She will fight and sacrifice to her life. Lahat ginawa ni mama yun, tinis mama yun. Hindi niya kami makita, hindi niya kami makapiling. Para lang may bigay yung gusto namin, para lang kami mabuhay. Para may bigyan ng kami niya ng magandang tirahan. Makakain kami ng 3 times a day, masarap ng foods. Tapos may maganda kaming damit. Kasi damit namin dati, ilang piraso lang. Puli-puli laming JJ Chris, wala kaming damit. At saka makapag-aral kami ng private school, elementary, high school, college sa magandang school. Yun lang gustong mama pangarap niya. Kasi namatay si Lulubin tapos wala ng mama niya. Kung buhay pa si Lulubin, hindi sana nag-asawa si mama sa Amerikano, hindi sana siya nagpunta sa Alaskan Courage. Yung sa far away places, cold places na maraming bear doon, black bear, yellow, brown bear, at saka white bear. At saka husky, mga dog doon, nakakatakot, parang wolf. Ang kapal ng kanilang balahibo. Sana hindi namatay si Lulubin, kasi si Lulubin ang nag-ano sa amin, guys, nag-suporta, nagbigay ng pera, financially, pangkain. Kung hindi namatay si Lubin, hindi sana si mama nagpunta sa Amerika, Alaskan Courage, Dominion Americano, hindi sana kami nagkahiwalay, hindi sana ako mawala ng ina. Pero ma'am, ang gusto namin, ma'am, we grow up at my side. We have ma'am, even though mahirapan tayo sa buhay, okay lang ma'am, kasi mabait naman kami. Hindi naman kami mag-angal. Okay lang ma'am, wala tayong pagkain, wala tayong magandang gamit, hindi kami makapag-aral. Yung bahay natin, yung bang sira-sira, walang magandang bahay. Okay lang sa amin ma'am, wala lahat yun. Kasi ang gusto namin, GE Chris, sa tabi ka lang namin ma'am. Gumagabay ka habang lumalaki kami. Hindi mo kami iwan, sama-sama tayo sa hirap at ginawa. Yun lang gusto namin ma'am. Yung mother to have a mother at our side. Aanhin namin yung dollar mo, ma'am, yung magandang tirahan, masarap na pagkain, magandang damit, makapag-aral kami ng elementary, high school, and college sa private school, pero wala namang kaming ina sa tabi namin. Di namin kailangan yun, ma'am. Kailangan namin yung ina na gumagabay sa amin. Kapag mag-away ng mga tao sa amin, may ina na ipagtanggol kami. Kapag makasakit kami, may ina mag-alaga sa amin. Kung may problema kami, may ina sa tabi namin. Pero for me, 1,000 miles, you live in Alaskan Anchorage in cold and far away places, and there's three color bear, brown, black, and white, and husky dogs like a wolf. So scary. Then it's not a hindrance, a distance, Alaskan Anchorage from Philippine Cebu, because I can feel alone. Because you felt that you will always at my side, ma'am. Especially I have a problem, struggles facing a problem in my life. Downside and upside, you will always be there for me, giving me advice, giving me $1,000 a month, Gigi Anan increase every month. You giving me 1,000 a month. Then for me, kahit malayo ka, ma, even though you're so far away places, it's not a hindrance, because you feel our love. I can feel your love. You will giving me good advices. You give me a higher energy, higher confidence, and you give me strength, stronger to a better person. You will always be our side, even though you're so far away in cold places in the somewhere there in the Alaskan Anchorage. We will think it anymore, because you're always there at our side. Especially we have a struggle of facing our big problems in our life, upside and downside our problem. You will always be there our side. You will never leave me with us. And Ma'am Angie, and kahit nasa malayo ka, malamig na lugar sa Alaskan Anchorage, ipinadama mo pa rin yung pagmamahal namin, yung support mo as a being a mother. Your love is pure. You're a real person. Your love is unconditional. If I'm die now and live again, I will choose you to become a mother again. Because on that time, I will choose you, a being mother of me. And I hope we'll not separate again. Magkasama tayo hanggang dulo, hanggang mamatay tayo, hanggang tumanda tayo. Yun ang gusto namin, ma'am. Magkasama-sama kahit mahirap. Basta sama-sama lang, walang iwanan. Then, the reason why many people who really loves you, especially your brothers, sisters, your friends and relatives, because you're a hero, ma'am. You went to Alaskan Anchorage, you sacrificed your life so that you can give us, to me, a better life, a better future. And you will not leave us. Kahit wala ka na, ibigay mo sa amin lahat para lang kami mabuhay. You will give everything to us so that we will live and have a better future, a better life. That's why, even though you're not exist here anymore in earth, you've been there in the kabilang buhay to God's in heaven, then you will always be in my heart and my mind. We will never forget you. Because I know time will come someday, we will meet again and never separate again in the kabilang buhay, in the God's house. We'll meet again. Ma'am, how could we celebrate a Christmas, New Year, and birthday? You will not in my life anymore. It is first time Christmas, birthday, New Year, December 28, my birthday, December 32, Ate Gigi, that you will not around in our life. Nakakalungkot, nakakabigat, nakaka-depressed, nakaka-frustrated. Ang bigat-bigat talaga, ma'am. That's why I don't want to celebrate Christmas and New Year, only my birthday. Because last year I can't celebrate my birthday. Because how can I celebrate Christmas, birthday, New Year? You're not around in our life. You will not exist in our life. And all I want Christmas, ang kasadyan ng taknan, and sana sa araw ng Pasko is dedicated for you, Ma'am Angie. I love you very much, Ma'am. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful faces and body. Thank you very much, Ma'am. You're giving me life. Without you, I will not living here on earth. Thank you very much sa buhay na binigay mo sa akin, Ma'am. You're a best single mom I ever had in my life. That's why I don't need a father figure in my life, because for me, you're my mom, you're my dad, you're my hero. You sacrifice your life, you will give everything to your kids and Angie Chris. And for me, isa kang hero, isa kang Santa Claus. Lahat ibigbigay mo kahit mawalan ka, para lang magaan yung buhay namin, para kami matuwa. Bye, Ma'am. This is Anna. We will meet in the kabilang buhay soon. If we will die and never separately again. Paano ka nabuhay dyan sa Alaska Anchorage, Ma'am? This na malamig na lugar. This song dedicated for you, Ma'am. Sa ibang bansa ay napapaligiran ng snow. At dito naman sa Cebu ay napaligiran ng malaking Christmas tree sa mga malalaking mall. At sa araw ng Pasko, sagunin ka tama mo eh. Bye, Ma'am. I love you very much. I miss you. You touch everyone's heart, Ma'am. Your family and friends, your brothers and sisters. That's why we don't forget you. You're always in my mind and my heart, even though you're not exist here on earth, because we'll die already last September 13, 2025 at 3 p.m. Bye, Mom. We will always love you and care. Your love is real. Your heart is pure. Your love is unconditional. That's why we would never forget you. You will always in my heart and my mind. I love you very much, Mom. Ma'am, I have a plan, and if I go to in the Europe, then I will go to the Alaska. I will save money so that I can go to Alaska Anchorage. Then I will get your ashes, Ma'am. And if I go here in the Philippines to have a visit, then ipalibing kita doon sa mama mo, Lola Clara, dahil yun ang dream mo, Ma'am, na makasama mo yung brother mo doon, Tio Yoyo, Tio Dodong, yung sister mo, si Vicky, yung mama mo, Clara. Palibing kita doon, Ma'am, sa City Garden. Kasi yung ashes mo, Ma'am, nakalibing sa Alaska Anchorage, hindi man yun, masira. Kasi nakaano ka man, cremate ka man. Yun ang plan ko, Ma'am, na I'm the one who go home you here in the Philippines, in the Cebu City, your hometown. Ako ang magdadala sa iyo dito sa Pilipinas, Ma'am. Maghintay ka lang sa akin, Ma'am, dahil pupunta ako sa Europe. And when I've been there in Europe, then I will get you in the Alaska Anchorage, your ashes, then para mauwi ka dito sa Pilipinas. Bye, Ma'am. I love you very much. Mahal na mahal kita, Ma'am. Maraming tao, Ma'am, nagsabi mahal na mahal daw kita. Mahal ko raw yung ina ko. Kasi kakamukha mo raw ako. Bye, Ma'am. I love you very much.